guys, so we just picked up the engine today. We flew into Miami and then we went to Orlando to pick up the engine. And here it is. It's the 3.2 RB30 block. Needs to be cleaned up a bit. You see Nitro pistons. Came with the all-wheel drive sump. Everything's already built. Yep, we had to rent this car, this Trailblazer. We rented out in Miami. We're road shipping back up to DC. It's taken about 16 hours. 30 block. Oh, we'll see you guys in DC. And we're back at Brother's Garage with the new block. And this is Mel. He helped me drove here. Constantly drinking. What's up, Daniel? Good morning, guys. Just woke up. GTR right now is out of commission, but today is a very good day because we are taking out this GTR. It's got the slicks on them. It's looking nice. Koda, come here. So we're taking the GTR out today. We're gonna have a booth for Kevman seats. I don't know if you guys seen these before. These are the pressed carbon Kevman seats from Thailand. They are for sale. All right, well, let's get out of here. Alright guys, we're out. We're en route to Dominion Raceway. I gotta stop and get 85 first, and then I gotta wait for Hank. He's got the booth for the Kevman seats, and he's taking his Evo as well. I think he's trailing it. So we'll see him at the gas station. Gonna pump some flex in this bitch. Hello, Hank.
Did I have a brother shirt?
No, I didn't bring one.
Oh, I'll say
I got the Stance Boys over there. Got Hank's Evo on the trailer with all the brothers' gear. You just put your hood back on?
Yeah, I gotta say that.
Who's in the car with you?
Posh and Peking put it inside. I did forge.
Oh, nice.
But I gotta sand it.
It hasn't been sanded down yet.
No, it's about to sand it. This is fresh, bro. Like literally.
Where'd you get it from? This is Kevman's?
No, this is mine.
Oh.
See, it's original.
Oh.
And then I sanded it down and then did forge in the front. And then I need to do forge on the side.
Cool, cool. You know, fun fact, in this area there's only about 3 or 4 ethanol pump stations. So you guys in Cali are blessed because you guys have like so many in every corner. But yeah, ethanol here is about $3. Alright guys, so we're here at Dominion Raceway in Virginia. Got stuck in traffic for an hour, but this is the raceway right here. My first time here. I've got a circle track over here. We're gonna go in and set up the booth. I think those cars are drifting over there. Currently set up the Kevman's booth. Oh shit. Setting up the Kevman's booth.
Yes, sir.
How do you do this? This is our booth. Kevman's booth, Brother's Garage. Now unload that. Single speed? What is single speed? This thing's on airlift. Good jacks.
Yeah, it is.
Oh, I like that. Yeah.
all-wheel drive? Huh?
Not yet, not yet.
So we're out here. This is our stand. Got the GTR out here. Kevman's USA. Where I'm sitting. Check out these drift cars. The sumo speed? Oh, it is sumo speed. Damn. Oh, this thing's on an airlift. Air jacks. We're gonna go check out the drift show. What do you think about drifting, Hank? Do you like drifting? Skirt, skirt, skirt,
Road racing, road racing.
Road racing only. But we're gonna go check out the drifting right now. Let's go find a crevice we can squeeze into. Wanna go over there? Damn, look at that dog. He got a big dick.
Big ass dog, dog.
Check out this Drift Infinity. I think it's got an LS in it for sure. Look at this thing. Damn, look at this Cadillac, bro. Got 2J in it, fucking hell. Sick. Guys are going tandem. Oh shit! That is some shit. I got. Ooh, it's oversteering like crazy. Damn. Check out this drift car. Was it Hyundai? It's 240. welded zip. Yeah, this one came off a trailer. Just dancing out there. This is 26. Yeah, it's LS. It's an LS motor. This is nice. Oh no! No sequential. Yeah, check it out, John. That thing looks sick. Fatties in the back. Let's see inside. I've always wanted to build one of these. Sick. Two-step. This is an SC you've never seen. Huh?
So you didn't hear the pop?
That was good.